1xBet registration. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can register to 1xBet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to register on 1xBet, you can simply go to 1xBet.com and then you will land on this page. I'll also have a direct link prepared in the description box. Once you come here, let's say at the very top you can say login and register. If you have an account, you can tap the register option, but if you don't, then you can tap on the register option from the top right hand side of the screen here, and as you do that, you can see it'll ask you to select a country. Make sure to select your country, the currency, and then select a promo code. If you have, tap the register option, and then it'll ask you to enter other details. So first you can enter this verification code. After that, it will ask you to enter a phone number, or you can also register by email and social networks and messengers, and your registration will get successfully completed on 1xBet. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically register on 1xBet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.